to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. And if you're viewing this video, that means it's Thursday. So that means it's tool time Thursday. So other than just automotive or regular hand tools, I strive to bring you guys something a little bit different. And today, that's what we have here, something a little bit different. It's a Benchmade SOCP rescue tool, technically, so it is a tool. So I'll kind of go over what it is, what it's used for, what does SCOP stands for, and who designed it. So first off, it comes in this, anybody who collects knives know all Benchmade knives come in a box like this. The earlier model boxes they had blue boxes. But I have quite an extensive collection of Benchmade knives that I've had for a long time. So if that's a video you guys are interested in, I'll do a knife video on all my knives. So this is the blue that I'm talking about, the signature Benchmade blue. So with Benchmade, they come with a lifetime sharpening. So all you have to do is send it back to them, pay the shipping. They'll sharpen any Benchmade knife, and then they'll send it back to you for the life that you have your knife. So here we have right here this SCOP rescue tool, and of course this is how it comes. It comes in a sheath with a clip. This is an upgraded clip from before. Usually they used to have like a little curve with a sandpaper looking thing for your pocket, but now this has this on the side so it holds on. So when you pull, if you really need to pull on get this out, it doesn't pull everything, including the sheathing with it. And of course these holes are for these right here, the parachute cord. If you so decide that you want to tie it to whatever you want to tie it to, it could be your vest, could be your pocket, whatever you may want to tie it to, so that way you don't lose it. You could also tie one to that if you want to lose it, but that's what we have right here. So here it is. It's pretty awesome, good feel. It's a matte finish, and it's Greg Thompson. So a lot of you guys who are in like UFC or fighting world know Greg Thompson is like a big time trainer. And so he started SCOP, where he trains special operators globally. So SCOP stands for Special Operation Combatives Program, kind of like some of the combatives that I did at SEER. So he kind of developed that, and then this is his own tool that he designed for that program. So pretty sharp, cutting any type of thing, rigging, seat belts, O2 wrench tool, and then a carbide glass break, and then just a good, nice carrying handle. So the way how I use this, it's considered a non-lethal protection as well. But the way I carry this is I have one on my sun visor. So I use it for my car, well, my truck and the Jeep. So if I was ever in a situation where I need to, cut myself out of the seat belt, I have it. If I, accident happen or something, windows up, lose power, could use this carbide tip to break the glass. And also you could use it different ways. You could use it like this, hold it, and you could also use that as a weapon. Or you put your pinky in here, you put your fingers underneath here, and then you already have your hand on these grips, so if you're hitting something, you got a lot of force behind it, and it's connected to your pinky. Same way you could use it to pull it out of the sheath. So you go like this, ready to go. Wow, ready for some action. So it's yeah, that'll hurt. You hit somebody in the head with that, or the body, it'll definitely get them up off of you. So it's just a nice little tool. As I said, I put it in the car as a rescue tool, especially with the Jeep. If you're off-roading upside down, sideways, you get locked into your seat belt, you could use that, use this to get out of that situation. And it's also a protect it's considered non-lethal protection, but with this blade, I'm pretty sure you could do some damage. So I got some P cord right here. So usually like the same thing with the belt, you just put it on there. Very little pressure I use, and then that cut through it like butter. So there it is. The Benchmade SCOP rescue tool, Special Operation Combative Program. Greg Thompson, as always, world-renowned Gracie black belt, Royce Gracie black belt, and also trains a lot of elite forces and UFC fighters around the country. So just a quick down and dirty Tool Time Thursday. As I said, it's a rescue tool. It's about 100 retail, but I've seen it online for as low as $75. They do have where this one, it do come with a khaki sheath instead of a black sheath. I kind of like the black one because I have the black interior. As I said, I just clipped this up on my sun visor. So I have it. Carjackers, beware. And also cutting seat belt, carbide, tip glass break. So again, guys, if you want me to do a video on all of my knives, let me know. And also, thanks for watching the videos. Thank you for watching another Tool Time Thursday. Definitely, if you like what you see today, definitely subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share, and comment on the videos. And until the next time, guys, thanks for watching another Tool Time Thursday. I'm out.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to